गुड मॉर्निंग। असाउद्दीन ओवैसी जो कि AIMIM एक माइनॉरिटी और यू कैन से मुस्लिम हार्डकोर मुस्लिम पार्टी जो कि हैदराबाद के हैं, वो आप सभी को जानते हैं। तो असाउद्दीन ओवैसी का जो पार्टी है, उन्होंने इस बार बिहार में 5 सीटें जीते। तो 5 सीटें जीते, जहां असाउद्दीन ओवैसी fought in Bihar and won 5 seats. And we know Asauddin Owaisi's party basically dominate Hyderabad and Telangana, that side. But this time Asauddin Owaisi's party won 5 seats in Bihar. तो क्या असाउद्दीन ओवैसी जो 5 सीट लड़े, तो उससे कांग्रेस, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद कांग्रेस? नाउ कांग्रेस इज सेइंग कि असाउद्दीन ओवैसी हैज फॉट इलेक्शन, उन्होंने ओवैसी ने फॉट इलेक्शन लड़ा। ऑल मुस्लिम वोट्स वेंट टुवर्ड्स असाउद्दीन, सो कांग्रेस को मुस्लिम वोट्स नहीं मिले। कांग्रेस डिडंट गेट द मुस्लिम वोट। एट द रिजल्ट असाउद्दीन ओवैसी सपोर्टेड बीजेपी। नाउ टेल मी वन थिंग, असाउद्दीन ओवैसी कैन नॉट फाइट इलेक्शन। वो जहां चाहे इंडिया में जहां चाहे वो इलेक्शन फाइट कर सकते हैं। कांग्रेस को व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद कांग्रेस? दे वांट मुस्लिम्स टू, दे वांट मुस्लिम एज देयर वोट। क्यों मुस्लिम्स कैन नॉट वोट बीजेपी, असाउद्दीन ओवैसी और अदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी? Just because Asauddin is a Muslim, hardcore Muslim party, that's why Congress is coming up, Digvijay Singh is coming up with saying कि Asauddin Owaisi is indirectly supporting BJP. अरे, he can fight election anywhere in India. He will fight election in Bengal. Every party wants to grow. Everybody wants to grow. रीजनल पार्टी को अगर नेशनल पार्टी में कन्वर्ट करना है तो उनको दे विल हैव टू फाइट इलेक्शन इन एवरी स्टेट। एंड असाउद्दीन ओवैसी डिड्स राइट, ही फाइट इलेक्शन, वेदर ही लूज और विन डजंट मैटर, बट ही फाइट इलेक्शन। बट दिस कांग्रेसमैन who is losing election state after state, blaming Asauddin Owaisi as a BJP's B team. अरे, You are telling Asauddin Owaisi as the BJP's B team. आप बोल रहे असाउद्दीन ओवैसी बीजेपी के साथ मिला हुआ है, तो what you are doing in महाराष्ट्र? कांग्रेस महाराष्ट्र में क्या कर रहा है? कांग्रेस सेक्युलर का नाटक करता है और वहां जाके शिवसेना जो कि हार्डकोर हिंदुत्व बेस्ड पार्टी है, उसके साथ जाके हाथ मिला रहा है। सो व्हाट कांग्रेस इज सेइंग? यस्टरडे what I heard from Congress party members that Asauddin Owaisi is fighting election, supporting, dividing the Muslim vote, getting all the, that's why Congress is not getting the Muslim vote, indirectly helping BJP, are utter nonsense. The constitution, Asauddin AIMIM is a political party and he will fight. His party will fight in every election, whether he lose or he wins, doesn't matter, but he will fight. Why? Shiv Sena has fought election in Bihar. खत्म, शिव सेना का तो जमानत जब्त हो गया। So I feel Asauddin Owaisi will be tough in upcoming West Bengal election, and his constitution, he is a political party, he is the president of a political party, and he has got right to fight election anywhere in India. Nobody can stop him. Even Asauddin Owaisi has also said nobody can stop him. He will fight election everywhere. He will fight election everywhere. It's Congress who like or don't like, doesn't matter. People like Adhir Chaudhary, people like Digvijay Singh can only do bug, and they don't have any credit. Now, what is the credit of Digvijay Singh in Madhya Pradesh? A BJP won 19 seats in by-polls, if I am not wrong. And Adhir Chaudhary, what Adhir Chaudhary is saying? Adhir Chaudhary, तो जिस जगह में from where he belongs, Adhir Chaudhary, that is a Muslim-dominated area. What Adhir Chaudhary did for the Muslims in that area? Nothing. Just use Muslim for their votes. What? I am supporting Asauddin Owaisi because he has got the right to fight election. Again, I am telling, he has got right to fight election anywhere in India, and he will fight election in West Bengal also. And let me see what the result goes on. Yes, Mamata Banerjee will also not like, because she also wants the Muslim votes. Because in West Bengal there is approximately more than 25% has got the Muslim votes. So yesterday what Congress said and blamed Asauddin Owaisi for their failure was utter nonsense. Congress is a failed party, fought in 76 seats, 7-0 and got 19. So Asauddin Owaisi, best of luck, good luck, you have done a very good job. Your party won 5 seats, it's very good, and let's see what you do in West Bengal. Thank you very much.